SCWO Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in a short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And as the only person in the space with 40,000 videos made like this over 5 years, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And 374Water gotta be the name of the day, but I quite like this approach. It definitely is shifting up, and I like how post-market's even like I'm experiencing even a bigger gap. But like randomly getting involved, mate, it's not gonna be happening. You know, I'm just hoping that I see some sort of, you know, pull down and correction so then I can take things up. But yeah, I'm not gonna be in any sort of rush. You know, that means that if there's pull downs inside here, nothing is gonna stop me from doubling down and buying more. Okay, so if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.